So today we're doing a treatment with Radiesse Plus. Due to aging or genetic reasons, people can often have a loss of volume in this area. This lovely lady here has actually got muscle wasting due to suffering from myotonic dystrophy. So this is added to that loss of volume in this area, and we're going to try and just bring that out a bit and bring a bit more health to the area. Okay, so this is not with a needle, it's just with a cannula, which means that it's quite comfortable for the patient, and we can just do tiny threads just to help bring this out. And of course Radiesse Plus stimulates collagen and elastin as well, so that process will continue over 6 to 9 months, and that's a nice added benefit. So long after the product's gone, which is about 18 months, you'll have benefits for a good 3 to 5 years in most patients.